$10,000 words swung round my head, 10 million more in books written beneath my bed. I wrote or read them all when searching in the swamps. Still can't find how to hold my hands. I know you need me in the next room over. I am stuck in here all paralyzed. 4 months I found myself in ruts, too much time spent in mirrors framed in yellow walls. Ain't it like most people are no different, like to talk on things we don't know about. Ain't it like most people I'm no different, like to talk on things we don't know about. Good lordy. The hair is a special guest tonight. Thank you. Yes, we've got a product malfunction. Sitting in this lonely town, one of the things are gonna change. Dream my life away, seems these dreams have turned to a bunch of dust clouds. Get my nerve up, but my past is pulling me down. Wondering how long this black sheep gonna stick around. Somebody told me once before, he said you can never go home again. Won't you leave? Said the things to steer me away, yeah, from the truth of who I am and what I believe. So I thanked him for his 2 cents with a handshake and some sympathy, yeah. Packed up my blue jeans and headed for this big prize of my freedom. Bye-bye, black sheep, to the black sheep of the family. Bye-bye. Oh, that means so very much to me, yeah. Bye-bye, black sheep, to my friends and my family. Bye-bye. I'm gonna set my soul, set it free. Producer Brandon in the house, coming in hot, coming in late from the Rick McCauley hour. Rick McCauley, what's happening, Rick? What's happening, Producer Brandon? I got my OpenClaw up and running today. Talking to it through Telegram. Haven't gotten my Discord connected yet, but tomorrow after coffee. Can't be weak at heart. I will cop to something. I have not touched Adam in a week, and he is trash. He is hot garbage, and I'm gonna fix him. Hey, Dr. J, what's happening? Anything break in the last 8 minutes that you missed? No, I don't think so. There's a whole bunch of news. I don't know how much of it's actually demoable or worth looking at. I know that we're hitting for a long time. I said the AI hype bubble hadn't even started yet. We were in like 95, 96. We're now in like 97. I spoke at an innovation conference today. And I offended someone from one of the other economies. Why are you breathing so heavy, Champy? What's up? Every time I see you now, I get that look in my eye. Every time I see your mouth, I hear that smile. In the early misty morning light, I heard the engine turning in the old Ford outside. You and even me again today. You will convince me again today. You're leaving this hard town, looking for someone else's golden ring. Should I say so long, Susanna? Hush now, don't you cry. So long, Susanna. Don't you cry for me. Share engines and cigarettes and keep them warm out on the road. Chasing down a lifestyle out on the highway 24. New York State was a rolling breeze and a sunshine with a blue sky falling to the chill of old September creeping in. Were you leaving me again today? You will convince me again today. Leaving this hot town looking for someone else's golden ring. Should have said so long, Susanna. Hush now, don't you cry. So long, Susanna. Don't you cry for me. That's Champ Shannon on lead vocals. Good evening, good people. I don't know if you heard this, but the AI, have you heard of the AI? It's gonna be big. It's gonna be big. It's gonna be big. It's bigger than you know. It's so much bigger. It's so much bigger. So much bigger. It's big. It's gonna be big. Hey, did you know?
You can make money with ChatGPT.
I got to get a new one. The Claude bot, the OpenClaw one. Yeah, like it goes like this.
You can make money with
OpenClaw. Have you got yourself an agent yet? Yeah, I named mine Adam. Oh, did you? That's really fantastic. What does Adam do for you? He sends me emails twice a day telling me how he can't do anything. Oh, mine's making me $462,000 a month. Huh. Maybe you don't have it set up right. You think, Bob? Good Lord. Feeling bad enough over here. All right. Fantastic. This is really good. This is what we're going to do. Yes.
I think if you don't set it up correctly, the button should say you can lose money with OpenClaw.
Exactly.
All your credits.
You can spend $3,000 a day with OpenClaw. Thank God you're making money with ChatGPT.
Also, TikTok pin.
TikTok pin. Oh, hey friends, Mimi, send Joker some words of encouragement when you have a minute. All right, please go send Joker some words of encouragement. Wish him speedy recovery and health. Health is very important. Cheeto dust. All right, hang on. Without a health, we ain't got much. I will tell you that. I will tell you what. If you have Perplexity, you can now. Oh yeah, you now have Perplexity Health. So, okay, here's my question. Maybe I could go find out. I have a question though. Like, Claude and ChatGPT already know way more than I do, and probably more than my doctor does about health. What's all these health things that they're launching? Like, what do they do different? Is anybody paying attention to this shit? I love when producer Brandon comes up. I know he's good. He's good. Actually, producer Brandon, you just came off a show with one Rick McCauley. I don't know if you know this. He's a fairly energetic fellow. You want to come up and do like a little news item and tell us what's happening?
Sure.
Welcome. Here,
I've got.
Watch this. Look what I can do.
Oh
wait!
You took me completely off the screen. This is why we don't let you touch the controls.
This is why we don't let the this is why we don't let the host touch the buttons.
Whatever. And also black bar because I can't control that.
Yeah, I got
it. So, what news would you like me to cover? We had a gauntlet with Rick and AITV Starship tonight. There's just so much happening right now.
I don't care about all of them. I mean, you know what we care about here. Like, I'm interested in stuff that
Instagram avatars. That's where it's at.
That's where it's all at. I don't know. What are the things that you think are worth playing with? Like, what's actually launched, if you know that? What's worth playing with? And why? I don't know. Why do you think it's a big deal?
Yeah, so just today was I text Kyle earlier. I said today is Tsunami Thursday because there is just so much stuff that just launched today. And hi, Fabiaso, I'm happy to see you as well. And so the first thing is that Gamma has taken on Canva. That they want to be the graphic design arm, not to be outdone by Google and their new Stitch tool that we played with last night. But Gamma now has the ability to create infographics and standalone artifacts for you, much like you could do in Canva. But so they're kind of extrapolating and expanding beyond slideshow presentation and website builds. So that's live. So we can go and take a look at. It's called Gamma Imagine.
All right. So, but what I'm going to reflect back to you is every company that's doing anything in AI continues to try to make every app the everything app.
Mm-hmm. Just like Lovable today.
Yeah.
Decided that they wanted
a Lovable thing, right? Yeah.
Yeah, Lovable decided that they don't want to just build simple web apps anymore. They want to analyze your data and help you turn your quarterly report into a beautiful presentation. So if you're working with Lovable, they're expanding beyond the website space, which I have mixed feelings about. I haven't had a chance to play with it yet, but it is live. But yeah, they're just trying to capitalize on those things.
Mm-hmm.
And so it's kind of becoming a Manus almost.
Yeah.
So that might be something worth looking at. And 11 Labs, not to be outdone, is trying to take on Suno with a creative audio marketplace where you could license your music through 11 Labs Creative, and if people listen to it, they'll pay you royalties. So that's something that is not happening with the other music generation tools to date.
Yeah. Although
Google AI Studio launched today. A complete rebuild of their builder tool, which on the surface doesn't look much different, but behind the scenes, it's much more streamlined in terms of connecting APIs, and they've made it much more user-friendly to actually launch something. I think that's the big ones.
Those are the biggies. Where do you think we should go first?
If you're Gamma is probably the easiest to demo. I am very curious about how Lovable can analyze things now, but Gamma is probably the one that is the most demoable. And we also figured out tonight, I do want to share with Google, which is also developing a Gemini desktop app to compete with Claude Cowork, just in case you are in the Google ecosystem. But we realized tonight that Lyria, their music model that we always make fun of because it sucks at actually generating songs.
Which one?
Google's music model, Lyria.
Yeah.
We figured out that that's not the goal. So when we're doing things like audio overviews and video overviews, Lyria is amazing at picking a song or generating a song, I guess more appropriately speaking, to match the tone of whatever it's reading. So Rick was doing his new book that he's working on, and he had it generate in Vids, which is their VO3 built into Google Docs, had it generate a video presentation based on a slideshow, and the music was just on point. And it took me a minute to realize that's Lyria. So if you're trying to prompt it to do like a radio style song, it's going to suck, but that's not what it's designed for. It's designed to be the engine that powers their multimodal notebook LM and video generation tools. So
I love how you dig deep enough to find the good parts of a thing. Like once I hate something, it's dead to me. So
that is all the news that's fit to broadcast.
Crazy. Beautiful. All right. All right. Let's see. Where are we going here? AI images? Is that where we're going in Gamma?
You're looking for Imagine. Gamma Imagine.
I do not see it. Gamma. Templates, library, settings, more. I got no Imagine. Upgrade for more AI. Grid list. I can make an image, but it looks like I could have done that before. Is it imagine dot or gamma.app/imagine maybe? Hashtag imagine.
It is their AI design canvas.
Okay. I ain't got nothing. I ain't
On
got
the
nothing.
Gamma dashboard, click Create and select Create Graphics to open the Imagine wizard. You can also go to the AI Images page and click Create Graphic. I mean, one of us has to read the instruction manual.
Create graphic. Is this it? All images, all AI infographics beta, models, Flux, auto select, ideogram, flash turbo, Quen, Leonardo Phoenix. Huh. I do not quite know what I'm looking at here. I don't think I might not have access to it, Brandon.
It is entirely possible that you do not. But one thing that you do have access to is the new Google AI Build Studio, which is suggesting that it can offer multiplayer games, which might be kind of fun for your Asteroids clone.
Oh, that's kind of fun.
And so it looks the same here until you go into build. And once you go into build, this is where they've done all of the fine tuning under the hood. So like I said, it looks the same, but operates differently.
Put Gemini 3 Flash's creativity and coding abilities to the test. Gallery. Ooh, the Mandelbrot Explorer. That's pretty cool. Multiplayer Neon Snake. Multiplayer Laser Tag. Add localizer. All right. Gemini 3.1 Pro, start building. Yeah, let me try. Create a multiplayer version of Space Invaders where the aliens are all in the middle and you have bases on the bottom, top, left, and right. And the aliens radiate out from the center, and each of the four players tries to get rid of their aliens before the other players. Period. There should be an NPC mode where a single player can play against three other people. You should also be able to switch it to two-player mode. Period. There should be some sort of cool mechanic where you can screw with the other player by somehow adding aliens back into their bin of aliens. Period. Figure it out. Oh, and make it look real pretty, like a classic 1980s video game with sounds and sprites and good physics and good collision detection. And don't make it suck. Did I already say that? That it shouldn't suck? All right, let's go.
So it's Space Invaders meets Hungry Hungry Hippos. I love it.
It's totally Space Invaders meets Hungry Hungry Hippos.
Well, that's
Parents of a toddler in for the win.
while that's doing its thing. I also forgot to mention that 11 Labs $250,000 hackathon that lasts 11 weeks kicked off today. And the details are in challenges and competitions in the AI Salon.
Okay. So let me run over to the AI Salon. So if you go to the AI Salon, if you want to join us there, community.thesalon.ai. And then AI Life Hacks is coming up. All right, 11 hacks, build, ship, win, over $240,000 in prizes. 11 weekly hackathons, each with credits, prizes, new challenges. Build, ship, win. Join the competition, view the leaderboard. First place, 400 points. All right. Join the competition. Does it describe it anywhere?
Yeah, so the first week is going to be a collaboration with Firecrawl, which is a web scraping AI tool, and they're giving you a boatload of credits to play around in Firecrawl to build an app.
This one. All right, let me zoom this bigger for old eyes. Build something with both Firecrawl Search and 11 agents and submit a high-quality viral-style video demonstrating. The fuck is a viral-style video? Brandon, anyone? Anyone? What does that mean? What does that mean? What is viral style? Hey, how's it going?
You can make money with ChatGPT.
Is it one of those?
I would say the opposite of whatever we do here.
Okay, that was funny but mean. That hurt a little bit, which is that's my kind of comedy. If it stings a little, you've done it right. Okay, Firecrawl turns any website into clean LLM ready data. Their search API lets you search the web, get structured content back in a single call, perfect for giving AI agents real-time knowledge or anything about the internet. 11 Labs conversational agents lets you build okay. Oh, so there's the docs. Why don't we do this? Do they care what you build it in, Brandon? Can this just be all like lovable? Loving?
Yeah, I mean, they don't care as long as the 11 agent is control.
Mm-hmm.
And 11 agents are pretty cool. If you haven't played around with 11 agents, they're basically voice chats that you can have based on data. So you can build a little agent chat bot.
Uh-huh. Oh, player 666. Look at this. This is, what did I do this in? This is Google AI Studio.
Yes.
Solo. One versus AI. Go. Start. Go. Why is it not working? Reload. Galactic Hive. Defend your sector, sabotage others. That sounds right, except it doesn't work. What did we do here? Oh, that's a that thing. That's this. Where are we going to go? We're going to go to Lovable, right? No, we're going to go to ChatGPT. Hang on a sec. It's funny because of this.
You can make money with ChatGPT.
When I say ChatGPT now, I go ChatGPT. ChatGPT. I say it wrong. Do you have to launch it? It sounds like Father Bear John, which, by the way, great name, Father Bear John. Listen, Father Bear John, all they said in that 11 Labs thing was, and I quote, build something with both Firecrawl Search and 11 agents and then submit a high-quality, viral-style video. Doesn't have to go viral. It should just look like something that might. And if your question, Father, good Father, is what does that mean? You're correct. This is what happens when you let 20-somethings run the competitions. Viral style. It's probably a millennial. All right. Why is this not working? Oh, because it's still building. All right, fine. I'm patient. I'm impatient. Did it work? Did it work? Yes. All right. How do we start? Ain't nothing working. Reload the app. Solo. Okay. I can get past the start screen and then the game is blank. You know what I'm going to do? No, Kyle, what? I'm going to take this prompt. I'm going to put it in Claude Opus 4.6. Because Opus 4.6, this is the model that all of the developers said, hey, that thing's different. So let's go build something. Cindy Kuhn in the house. Got Andy, Fabiana. Who else we got? Ms. Crawford. Who we got over here? Source Camp in the house with Father Bear John, Dr. J. How is everybody? Mary. Steve-O, Silver Fox. Nana's in the house. Uh-oh, she's 23. I just made fun of 20-somethings. Sorry, Nana. I thought it was all old geezers in here. If you're young, she's probably not here anymore. FYI, Gamma gives you a free month for their pro features like Canva. Oh, that's interesting. Fascinating. All right, Kyle, this is going to be a beast. Let me build you a proper 4-quadrant Space Invaders with the wrap mechanic, NPC AI, retro CRT aesthetics, and web audio synth sounds. Let me start coding. All right, so that's off doing its thing. Let's go back to Google. Is it still building? Yeah, that's still building. I need more coffee. Good Lord. Did this work? Nope. Brandon, your Gemini, did I code this on a shitty model? Gemini 3 flash preview. I think that's a decent model. Huh. Game screen still black. Let's go to Claude. Can I see what Claude's doing? Oh yeah, it's coding. It still blows my mind to watch these things code. Yes, producer Brandon.
I was just gonna say, could we talk about for a minute while we're waiting for it to fix its stuff, how our expectations have just been normalized over the past year in terms of what these things are capable of doing?
I know. It's so true. It really wasn't that long ago when I was trying to do like Frogger games, and like if you could get it to like make pixel blocks go just move, it was pretty impressive. And now, you got big full games going. It's pretty remarkable. Listening to Sebastian, Warp Invaders. All right, 1 player versus 3 NPCs. Player 1, AD to move. What's that to shoot? W to shoot. ADW. Okay, got it. Press space to start. Cool. Oh, cool. Wait, where am I? Oh, the left screen. Wait. Whoops. Shut up, player 2. Okay. So first of all, okay. Let's see. How do we do this so we can see the bottom of it? No, that didn't do it. Okay. The game needs to be, quote, window aware so that any player is never off screen. And let's see. The bottom player was not visible. Let's see what else. The aliens should march toward each base like the original. The shooter should have 4 buildings to hide behind like the original. And the NPCs start out way too fast and make us humans feel stupid. Don't make us feel dumb. We created you. Let's see if Google Gemini on the 5th attempt made it work. Still working. Running for 242 seconds. All right, here we go. Pilot 815. Oh, shit. That's not great, but it was okay. You're right on all counts. Let me fix this properly. Viewport safe, classic march pattern, shields, NPCs that don't make you feel like you're playing against a targeting computer. Yes. I'm going with Claude is better than Gemini at this point. Although, to be fair to Gemini, let's go back to the start and change the model. How do I change the model? How do you change the model? Not there. Oh, go back to build. No. Build. This model is not stable. Nano Banana 2, Gemini 3.1 Pro. Gemini in action with interactive open source models. All right, this is where we were. I guess we can't change the model. What's this? Oh, here we go. Gemini 3 Flash Preview, Pro Preview, Light Preview, React Framework, Next.js, Angular. I'm going to go ask that React, Next.js, Angular. When would you use React versus Next.js versus Angular? React is maximum flexibility. Next.js when you build a production web app on top of React with routing, rendering strategies, back-end adjacent features, and Angular when you want a more opinionated, all-in framework for larger teams. React is the UI library. Next.js is the React framework. Okay, whatever. So we'll just stay. Let's see. You're currently using the free tier. That could be why it's sucking too. The bottom ship is off the viewport. Fix it. Also, make the graphics better. All right, let's go back to Claude and see what Claude's done here. Synthesized game design feedback into actionable something. Coding. Rebuilt Warp Invaders V2 with all the fixes. Mimi in the house. What's the platform? Never mind. I was away from my keyboard for a bit. Not acceptable. This is AI. You can't leave your keyboard. But Mama, my eyes are bleeding. Just keep working. Adam needs programmed. Just keep going, Jenny. But Mama. Pep says you're running this like a sweatshop. Shut up and keep coding. This is AI. There's no sleeping in AI. Oh, good Lord. So I want to tell you something today. I had a PTSD moment. So back in 1996 or 1997, I was given a speech about this newfangled thing called the World Wide Web. And I was invited to speak at the National Association of Newspaper Publishers. And they're like, we want to figure out what this World Wide Web thing's all about. And you know what this World Wide Web thing's all about. So you come talk to us. And so I went to this newspaper publishing soiree, and I proceeded to tell them that based on what I was looking at, that they should probably consider exploring the boundary between editorial and advertising. I was escorted off the stage immediately, and I was walked out the back door of the theater, and I was told to stay out there and that they would call me a cab, and a cab would come pick me up, and then I could go back to the city. So that happened 96, 97. So today I was on a call where I talked about AI readiness, and it was a hands-on workshop. We were getting people to, some had Kevin McAllister moments. There were a fair amount. It was a fair amount of Gen Xers, so a fair amount of them knew what was going on, and they'd been doing web stuff. But this one guy came up. He goes, "Well, you're a musician, and it sounds like you're a writer, and you're this and you're that." And I'm like, "Oh boy, here it comes." And then he kind of laid into the, basically, how can you sleep at night knowing that all of these models were trained on stolen, thieving data? And I gave him my opinion, which he didn't like, which was, I said, if they had asked for permission, we wouldn't have these models right now. I take offense to that. So I assume he's a lawyer for a music company, because he's probably the one that would have said no to them. And so he didn't like the conversation. It had newspaper publisher vibes. I was harshing his scene on his business model, but I don't know what to say, man. Okay, let's see. P1, player one bottom. Okay, plus, so it's ADW to shoot. Okay. Yeah. Oh wait, this is bad. I don't know how to stop this. How do you stop this? Code? Yeah. Okay. Good. All right. Beautiful. Okay. So we've got to tell it. Okay. This is a good start. However, all of the Space Invaders are facing up and migrating toward the bottom player. None of the Space Invaders are migrating toward the other bases. This should be a world where there are 4 different gravity planes, one for each shooter, and the Space Invaders should be marching down, left, right, and up, period. There should be some sort of cool triangular configuration where the new aliens are emerging from the center, and then they fan out into a triangle headed toward each base, period. I need you to think more creatively, because we're trying to reinvent the world of Space Invaders here, period. This is not insignificant work, period. Some people are working on world peace. We're trying to bring the 80s back. Okay, that's important. Google's prompt, just fucking do something. Ooh, galactic hot. Oh, it built the thing off the base again. Damn it. Let's see this. Okay. Yeah, this is bad. Oh, this is cool though. Better. Oh, I should be able to shoot. This isn't great. It's not great. It's pretty bad. You're right. I was thinking too small. 4 gravity planes, triangular formations fanning out from a central portal, aliens oriented toward their respective bases. Let me rebuild this from the ground up. Thank you. Thank you, Opus. I'm going to blow all of my Opus credits on a stupid a stupid 4-way Warp Invaders game. All right. I'm not impressed with Google AI Studio for games, but it's probably good for other stuff. We could do a nano banana thing. Do they have they don't have a chat mode, do they? So maybe I got to go back out here. Dashboard. Projects dashboard. That's Nano Banana 2. Oh, images. Here we go. Gemini, live, Gemini. Flash preview. Okay. Aw, Champy's dreaming. He's chasing something. Ow. Bringing back the 80s does equal world peace. Exactly. Didn't understand the brand I'm using with an AI tuned bobblehead of myself. I had a hater in LinkedIn today. Messaged me and said he didn't care for your AI ads. Thank him for his service. Hater's going to hate. So Ann Murphy told me something cool today. She said, so yesterday we had on this guy, Sebastian, I forget his last name, and he's got a really cool Claude bot automated marketing flow. And he described it in detail. So she took the transcript of him describing his Claude bot thing in detail and gave it to her, I think she calls her Sheila, and told Sheila to replicate what Sebastian had created, and it did, which is kind of cool. Okay, Warp Invaders. 1 versus 3. Okay. Oh, cool. The logic's all fucked up. That's sort of a shitty game. And it's not a shitty game because Claude did bad. It's a shitty game because it was a stupid idea. But I guess the good news is we now live in a world where you can have an idea for a shitty video game, and within, I don't know, 15 minutes, half an hour, learn that you had a shitty video game. That's pretty good. I like it. I took 2 screenshots of Sebastian's app, and Claude told me exactly what it was. Oh, that's really cool. That's really cool. Amazing. "15 minutes on a bad idea is much better than 3 months on a bad idea." Absolutely. Absolutely. What else do we have? I'm going to go look at X for a second. Hang on. Brandon sent me a bunch of stuff to look at. So Google's testing a dedicated Gemini app. Claude Code channels means you're going to be able to talk to Telegram. So everybody's making Claude bot now, including NVIDIA. Gamma Imagine. Yeah, I didn't have access to this. I probably have to have a paid account. I might just have a free account, so that could be my problem with Gamma. That could be the problem with Gamma. Yeah, boys. This sounds cool. OpenAI plans the launch of a super app to refocus and simplify the user experience. Here's what would simplify the user experience, OpenAI. Make your chat model not suck. That would simplify the experience. We would jump through rings of fire if it were even decently competent. I've heard more people canceling their OpenAI subscriptions. I never thought I'd hear that. Oh, Lovable for more tasks. Let's go see if that's visible and understandable. All right, let me go. That was the thing we built last night. Go to dashboard. Go beyond building apps with Lovable. Open Lovable. Oh, this is a blog post. So wait, open Lovable. I'm confused.
As near as I can tell, it's the same experience. They're just basically doing what Google did with Canvas or what ChatGPT did with Canvas.
Where they're
files and they're creating something visual based on the information that you're giving it. So it's analyzing it using Claude and generating a visual experience or a canvas for whatever documents you're giving it.
I see. All right. Manage connectors, shared connectors. Wait, is this in Lovable? It is. How long have connectors been in there, Brandon?
About 2 months.
Okay. Databases. Lovable Cloud Superbase. Champ, stop eating your feet. Your little slurping is driving me crazy. I've got misophonia, and you're a slurpy dog. Twirling my hair. Okay. All projects shared with me, Lovable, upgrade to business. Design style. Stripe, set up payments, Firecrawl. Oh, so Firecrawl and 11 Labs are already in. Oh, that's cool. All right, wait, let's go back to the hackathon. Let's grab all this. They're already in there. So, okay. Let's go to Lovable. Let's go back to Builder Advocate. Let's go to Go back. Workspace. Got an idea. Okay. TikTok pin. They're probably going to relaunch it and call it Not 4.0. Okay. Paste. There's that. I'm going to go. I'm going to go. These are instructions for a hackathon. So wait. The one thing scrapes websites. Wonder if it can scrape LinkedIn. I like self-expression, storytelling, and innovative models. Give me 20 ideas. Wait, I need this to be in chat mode, don't I? Yes. 20 ideas that I can create to win the hackathon. La da 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 da. Whose broad stripes and bright stars? Okay, what are these ideas? Talk to any dead artist. Ooh. A voice agent that searches for an artist's philosophy, interviews, and works via Firecrawl, then embodies them in conversation. Chat with Frida Kahlo about your heartbreak. I love that. What's going on? Did it start building? My top 3 picks. Talk to a dead artist. Roast me with facts. The Time Traveler Hotline. Unique concept. Okay, your app will be live here. So let's go. I say, I love number 1. I love number 1. Spec it out. Yeah, we'll just do that. We'll keep it easy. We'll keep it easy. Probiotics for Champ. My love does that to her feet. It may be an allergy. His feet. Champ's a dude. He's a boy dude without balls. Balls. He ain't got no balls. No balls. he doesn't have 2 balls. He doesn't have 1 ball. He got no balls. But he's a boy dog. Right, Champy? Don't you have a pee-pee? You have a pee-pee? Yes, you have a pee-pee. Oh, good Lord. Yeah, allergies. Really? Foot eating is allergies. Here's the thing. Champ sings, but also you cannot touch Champ's feet. I don't know what happened. We adopted him. He was 3 or 4 when we got him. And you cannot touch his feet. I don't know what happened. All right, review. Talk to any dead artist. How it works. User picks artist. Firecrawl searches for their life works quotes. Results come. The agent system prompt context. 11 Labs voice agent speaks as that artist. User has a live voice conversation with the artist. Landing page. Okay. But yeah, go make that. All right, we're going to see what we're going to get here. Glad I'm not just walking into this conversation. Do we have anything else we were working on? No. Do we want to make a song? No. Where's the Lovable? Enable cloud. Yes, we're going to enable cloud. Champy, do you have foot allergies? Huh? Do you have foot allergies? Come here. Do you want loving? Come to daddy. Come here. Yeah. That's a good dog. Oh, that's a good dog. Oh. He loves his face loving. Don't you? Yeah. Oh, wait. What's going on? Connect to Firecrawl. Yes. Down. That thing's in my way. Which AI application is this one? We are in Lovable. We are trying to build an app that we're going to submit for the 11 Labs Hackathon. Generating Firecrawl API draft. I wonder if it's going to have me approve that. Refining component for clean rendering. Oh, I wonder if they're brokering all the APIs through their thing. They just charge you in Lovable, and then they pay the API bills. I bet they cut deals with all those people. That's pretty smart. All right, so tomorrow, while this thing's building, we might as well do a little promo for tomorrow. So tomorrow we've got office hours at 11 a.m. If you've never been to office hours, you should come to office hours. We've got tomorrow night is Friday night date night. It's the middle of the month, so it should be normal 8 o'clock start time. And I think that's about it. Is that it, Brandon? Is there anything else? That's all, folks. Oh no, it's not true, Brandon. Side Hustle Mimi's got a LOL on Saturday, right? Isn't that tomorrow? I mean, after tomorrow? Today's Thursday. I know. But that's Saturday. So Saturday, mark your calendar, 4 p.m. Eastern time. Side Hustle Mimi is going to talk about what it took to go from a standing start to a launched iOS app that's in the App Store selling for
You can make money with ChatGPT.
For actual dollars. Right now, it's happening. Error. Try to fix it. All right, it's still coding. It'll probably catch that. Deploying the edge functions and updating. Deploying the edge functions and configs. Hey Brandon, is Lovable using Opus 4.6 right now, or is it using Sonnet? Do you know? We're using Claude. All right, I got to configure APIs for this stuff to work. That's a drag. I thought it would have been fun, but now I got to go do actual API work and figure things out. I don't like it. I don't like it one bit. All right. Yeah, that's not working. All right. I could do ASMR. I got nothing for you. I got nothing. That was a non-exciting night. Any Sydney updates? I got nothing. I got nothing on Sydney. Got nothing on Sydney. I got nothing on vibe coding tonight. We had a poorly designed video game that was poorly coded and poorly executed. We had what could have been a cool app in Lovable, but I have to do actual work and it's late and I'm tired. So that's it. That's what you get. The AI Learning Lab is like a box of chocolates where someone swapped out rocks for some of the chocolates. So you're reaching in thinking you're going to get maybe, toothpaste in a chocolate cup. And what you actually get is a rock. That's what this week has been. Some of the chocolates have pineapple in them. Exactly. Google is setting Google Firebase login. All right. All that sunsetting stuff makes me crazy. All right, everyone. I would say I hope you had a good time tonight, but I know you didn't. So that's okay. That's not on you. That's on me. Tomorrow, Friday night, date night, maybe we'll do something fun and interesting. Bye. Have a good night. All right, they're gone.